I'm Gagandeep Kaur. We are doing unit number 2, word processing, and today we are going to do two sessions. One is inserting objects and second is inserting shape, symbol, and special character. So first we are going to do session number 10, inserting objects. So object can be almost any form that can be generated as a computer file, sound, music, drawing, document, spreadsheet, etc. These all are the examples of the possible object that you can include in a document or a link in a document. So objects are of two types in Word. The first object is embedded and second one is linked. To show the difference between both, I'm going to show you a video about it.
So what's the difference between embedding and linking? I'm going to take for an example a YouTube video that provides for you to have two different options for sharing. One of them is a link. This is great for communicating with an email or even in a blog. If I copy this link, I'm able to travel to a blog post and say, check out this link. I click on it and I link it up, and now this actually makes the viewer leave my website and travel to YouTube. That's with a link. The other option is to do what we call embed, and that basically provides a place in, and you need to go to HTML in your blog for the actual video to be housed inside your blog post. And you'll see it pop up here in just a moment. This doesn't take your viewer to another website. It allows for the video to be played directly in your website. The link, perfect for email. The embed is better for a site or a blog. And that's the difference between embedding and linking.
Difference between both embedded and linked object. Now I'm going to show you how you can use both of these files in your Word document. To do that, first of all, click on the insert option. From here, you have to choose object option from the text group. You can see we have two options. One is create new and second is create from the file. So when you are creating new, it will be embedded in your current document. For example, if I take this Microsoft Excel 2003 worksheet, a window appears that is of Excel. As you see, when I click over this window, all the features are related to the Excel only, and when I click on the Word, again the options come from the Word. You can easily make changes in it, use all the kind of formulas and sorting, whatever you want to do in this document only. But the thing is, you cannot access this outside of the document, and this cannot be printed either. The second option is to create a link. So again, click on this, create from the file, add a file you want to create. So for example, if I'm taking this file as my link, now I have to click on this option, link to the files, and click OK. Now the link of this file has been created. When I double click over this, it takes me to the original location of the file. Here you can see the file has been opened in a different software. But while we are doing this embedding thing, the document is already embedded in here. It doesn't open in the different window, but the linking opened the document in another file. This was our session number 10, inserting objects. Next is session number 11, inserting shapes, symbol, and special character. This is way easier than inserting objects. Simple again. Click on the Insert tab. These all are the shapes you can insert. Lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flowchart, stars, All these are used to insert the shapes. For example, if I want to write some text in a different box, I will take a text box here. Otherwise, if I want a different shape, I can simply select it, create it, and add text to it whenever I want. So it is not mandatory to take a text box to write some text. You can take any shape, right click on the shape, and insert, add text. Further on, you can modify the shape, you can change colors for it, you can change the outline, you can change the word style you are writing in it. These all are the formatting for this. So here we are done with our chapter, Word Processing, Unit 2. Thank you.